Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share you 6 tips help you to break bad habits. We all have bad habits, whether it's beating our nails, procrastinating or eating unhealthy foods, but breaking a bad habit is easier said than done. So let's get started with the first step. Step 1. Identify the triggers. The first step in breaking a bad habit is to identify the triggers that lead to it. Triggers can be internal, stress or boredom, or external such as certain situations or people. You can take steps to avoid them or find healthier ways to deal with them. Step 2. Substitute with a healthier habit. Instead of simply trying to stop a bad habit, it's often more effective to substitute it with a healthier habit. For example, if you tend to snack on junk food when you are bored, try taking a walk or doing a quick walking instead. Step 3. Set achievable goals. Breaking a bad habit can be long and a difficult process, so it's important to set achievable goals along the way. Start small and gradually increase the difficulty of the goals as you progress. Step 4. Find support. Breaking a bad habit is most easier when you have the support of others. Tell your friends and family about your goals and ask for their support. You can also join a support group or work with a coach. Step 5. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress and celebrate success along the way. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Step 6. Be kind to yourself. Breaking a bad habit can be challenging, and there will be setbacks along the way. It's important to be kind to yourself and acknowledge that it's a process. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Instead, learn from experience and move on. So there you have it, 6 tips to help you break bad habits. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.